SDK.finance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new module with a new REST controller. First of all, we need to create the module. It should be a Maven module. The name will be auth-demo. This module will be located in the root of the SDK5 project. We'll create the auth-demo folder. This module will contain submodules, so we should remove all unnecessary generated packages. Now, I'm going to create a new submodule. And the name, endpoint-demo. What we need to do next is use the special revision parameter to mark the version for the module and submodule. We'll remove this version property because the version is already defined in the root pom.xml. Also, to move the new authorization demo controller into the new module, we need this module to have a dependency on the current endpoint module, because it contains all the necessary classes for the presentation layer. Next, I want to create the required packages. New package. Yes. I don't need this one. And I'm going to place authorization controller there. Next, we should add this demo endpoint to our root POM. Auth-demo, the module name, and endpoint-demo. Also, we should add this dependency to the application POM because the application module is responsible for compiling and building the whole project. In this case, we don't need to specify the version because it's already defined in the parent POM. After this, reload the Maven project. Now for visualization, in authorization, we have some related classes located under endpoint.native-web, such as mappers. That's why we need to add this dependency to our project as well. If we add this dependency, we know that this module already has a dependency on the endpoint module, so we can rely on it as a transitive dependency. Let's review what we've done. We moved the new demo REST controller into a new module. We added the module to the root POM. We also added it to the application POM and tried to compile it. Built success. Now, let's launch the application. OK, the system is ready to serve requests. Let's check the authorization demo. Yes, works great. One request received. System is running and handling requests. That's it.